Hi there. I'm going to show you how you can operate your keyless entry. If you have a Volkswagen with keyless entry, it means you no longer need your key anymore. But it might be counterintuitive to what you think. So right now I have my key in my pocket. And it's on my person. So as I walk upon the vehicle, I just simply come up to it, like so. Okay? And you will see, I'm holding some stuff in my hand, sorry. Okay, you will see that is my handle there. I'm going to take my hand and I'm going to simply just tuck it inside where the lock is. This is how you unlock your car. Did you hear it? It opens right up. Then you can get in and you can drive. And then when you are leaving, you close your door. And it's just the opposite. You keep your hand on the outside. You'll hear it click. And if you're not certain, do it again. It gives a little beep. So that's how you use keyless entry. And that's how I use keyless entry on my 2019 Volkswagen Mark 7.5 Golf R. And I made sure to show you it too. If you're going to have one hatch before the end of the world, this is the one you want right here. This is the Omega Man. This is the car you want to escape the zombie apocalypse. And this is going to be a sleeper. I am not going to go flashy. By the way, I got the tinted, and you can see this little area here is that little pesky window that kind of doesn't do anything. My tint guy, Hi, he said, you just black that out. It all goes together. Well, that's it. Have a great day. Thanks for watching, by the way. Please subscribe if you'd like to see more.